Okay, so let's look at another question too. WASSCE June 2016 question 1b. If two numbers are selected one after the other with replacement from set A 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, find the probability of selecting at least one prime number. Okay, so take note that we are selecting two numbers, okay, one after the other with replacement from this set. The set is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we are finding probability that when we made a two selection, one is at least we have one prime number. Okay, so it can be one prime number or two prime numbers. Okay, in the two, when we selected two numbers. So take note here that because when the selection was done, okay, it is with replacement. It means that if we select one from the set 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, if we select one number from here, let's assume that I select 6. If I'm coming to make the next selection, okay, the set will remain the same because I'll replace the 6 back because it is with replacement. I'll put the 6 back into the set again, and then I will select. So when I come to select, I select say 7. So you realize that if you want to know all the possible outcomes, when I was making or when the selection was made, you selecting two numbers from here, okay, with replacement. It means that so the same set I make my first selection, and the same set I come and make my second selection. Because in my first selection, since when I select and the second selection I replace, it will be the same the same set again. So it is the same set I make my first selection from, and in the same set I make my second selection, because this is what with replacement. Okay, so we are going to draw the table for the first selection and then for the second selection. So it will be a table so that we can know we can know all the possible outcome or the possible selection that's what we can make from the set here if we are selecting two numbers with replacement. All right, so you can have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so it means that when I select the two numbers, either I select 5 and then again, because I replace from the same set, I come and select 5. So it can be 5, 5. Or when I selected 5 from here and then I replace back, I selected 6, so 5, 6. So that is what is going to happen. Or I selected 5, I replaced back the number, and then when I made my selection, I selected 7, 5, 8, 5, 9. Or I select 6 and 5, 6 and 6, 6, 7, 6, 8, 6, 9, 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 7, 9, 8, 5, 8, 6, 8, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 5, 9, 6, 9, 7, 9, 8, finally 9, 9. So this can be my possible selections or my possible outcomes. All right. Okay, so as you select two numbers from the same set, okay, with replacement. So when you make the selection from here, you replace, you put it back and make another selection. And like the same set, and then you are selecting two numbers, okay, from it. So the question is, find the probability of selecting at least one prime number. So let's define the number of possible outcomes on the possible selection. So there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25. Okay, so my possible outcomes can be what? Can be 25. Okay, so as you find the probability of selecting at least one prime number, so you are going to look at the selection that we have made here. What is the probability that when the selection was made, you selected at least one prime number? Okay, So the set here, what are our prime numbers from the set here? 5 is a prime number, 7 is also a prime number. So only 5 and 7, 6, 8 and 9 are not prime numbers. Okay, so if it is at least one prime number, then I can have what? 5, 5. So set of at least one prime. So it can be 5, 5. Is it at least one? So it can happen that all the two are prime, and it is 5, 6. We can see one prime number, which is 5. 5, 7. There's one prime. 5, 8. And then 5, 9. So either you are getting one prime number, or even they are all prime numbers. 6, 5 is also there. You can 6, 6. We cannot see any prime number, so it's not included. 6, 7. 7 is a prime number. And then 6, 8. 6, 8 is not included. 6, 9 is not included. 7, 5. They are all prime. 7, 6. Okay. 7, 7. 7, 8. 7, 9. So 8, 5 is also, we can see 5 as a prime number there. 8, 6, no. 8, 7, okay. 8, 8, no. 8, 9, no. 9, 5, yes. There is 5 there. 9, 6, no. 9, 7, yes. And then 9, 8, no. 9, 9, also no. Okay, so how many at least one prime number? The set of at least one prime, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16. So at least one prime number is 16. So probability of at least one prime number is going to be 16 out of 25. 16 out of 25. Okay, so I think this we cannot further simplify. All right, so we leave our answer like this. So I believe this is understood. Okay, so when you get a question and then you are given a set, okay, just one set, and the question is with replacement, and you are making selection, okay, maybe 2, then it means that you have to draw the same set against itself, and then you get all the possible selections. Okay, so take note, if you have a set, it is with replacement and you are selecting 2, then this is how your possible outcomes is going to be. All right, I believe you have got it and understood. We will meet again in our next lesson. Bye bye.